Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a iiiF150 R2 Ultra, and let me share with you how to check the total screen time on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find digital well-being and parental controls. And as you can see here, we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today. In my case it was 3 hours and 21 minutes, and most of the time I've spent on the settings. We've got also the unlocks and notifications count. So to check some further details, you can choose different ways. The first one is to tap directly inside the graph, and you will be transferred to the dashboard, where you can check how much time you've spent on the screen in specific days of the week, and compare them, of course. And under it you've got the list of used apps with the specific time you've spent on them. So for example, hit this one. You can change the screen time to notifications received and times opened. And the second way is to tap directly on the app, so for example Settings, Play Store or Chrome. So let me tap on it, and again we've got this dashboard, but this time it is tightly connected with this one app. You can change the screen time also to notifications and times opened, and from daily to hourly. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.